guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I am gonna review the Nomad palette from Juvia's place. I'm so excited. This just came to my job like a week ago and I grabbed the only one. They only shipped like 2 out and it was one for the tester and one for like actual purchase. So I fucking bought it, bitch. So I'm excited to review this. I always wanted this. This is my second Juvia's place palette. So yeah, the first one I got is the mini masquerade. I'm not really too big of that. I was like really underwhelmed. I thought like Juvia's place palettes were like pigmented the but it's not really that. So I'm like, it's good, but like just underwhelming a little bit. So I'm hopefully this one's good. Okay guys, if you want to see me review this, then keep on watching. First things first, these are the shadows that come with it. Really cute, really fall, autumn. It reminds me of like sweater weather and stuff like that. So let's go swatching. I'm gonna swatch all of them because there's only 9 shadows, so why not, you know? These shadows don't have names on it though, which is weird because her other ones do. So I'm like, okay. But yeah, alright, let's swatch this one. It's like a light butternut squash color, like a light one. Like, not ripe yet. They're really creamy, so that's a good sign. Let's swatch it. Alright, it's not bad. It's like, that's cute or whatever, period. Sorry, my nose itch. I'm human. Alright, next color is this yellow. It looks matte on the pan, but in person it's like a little bit of shimmer. It's like a satin, which is like, okay, go off. Creamy the hell. You could kind of see the little glitter particles. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Yeah, this is the one. It's kind of like the first color, but like satin. Yeah, it's cute, not bothered. This one is unique. It's like a hunter green color. Anyway, so yeah, this is the green. It's like a hunter green. It's matte. It's cute. Okay, so yeah, the fourth color is this pumpkin orange. It looks really cute. Let's swatch it. Really cute. I like it. I like this color. Okay, go off. Sorry, it's like the wire is right next to my ring light. It's so annoying. I'm sorry about that. Let me wash my fingers. I don't got no makeup wipes down here, so I'll be right back. Now, let's do, sorry. The first shimmer, it's like this silvery taupey color. Oh, this smells so good. Wow, I was not expecting that. And it like completely overshadowed the pumpkin orange. Don't disrespect my bitch pumpkin. Alright. Definitely putting that on my lid, period. I have to. And then the one next to it is also a shimmer. Like a more darker shimmer. I'm gonna just put it right here. That's cute. It's not really that popping compared to the other one, but go off. All right. This nude, it's like a satin. Like if you see it up close, it has some shimmer to it, so it's not completely matte, but it doesn't have that much shimmers compared to the yellow one that we swatched, or that I swatched. See, it's cute though. It's pigmented. Alright, we got 2 more shadows left. I need to wash my hands again. BRB. We'll still do that. I don't know. I'm always late to the dance trends. I'm not a dancer, clearly. Alright, anyway. Next color is right here. It's like this brownie brown. That was like a weird description. It's like pigmented. Let's watch it over here. That's cute. It's pigmented on my hand. It kind of looks patchy on camera, but it's not. I hope you guys could trust me about that. Why would I lie? Nobody knows who I am. Alright, so now, last color, that's sad. Last color is like this olive green. That's cute. Let's watch it right here. Grand finale thing. Alright, that was an awkward place to swatch. But I don't know why. It looks pigmented on my hand, but it looks patchy on camera. So that's weird. I'm sorry about that, guys, but it is pigmented. Anyway, let's get started with the application. Hi, how are ya? Alright, so let's get started with the eyeshadow. Alright, so to set my lid, I'm gonna take this nude color and just set my lid in. Brush, I'm gonna take this. Ooh, come on, like I'm gonna take this color and start going into my crease. I thought, because it's like the same color, so I'm gonna take the shimmery yellow, like the satin yellow, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Pumpkin orange color right here, and I'm gonna put it on my outer V. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with my Urban Decay. I got the wrong product. Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. I love this technique. I keep on saying it. It's so fucking easy to cut a crease with this. Literally, how long did that take? Like 2 seconds. Like, I'm gonna take this deep brown color and put it in my outer V, and also to blend out that cut crease. Now I'm gonna take this bomb ass shimmer shade in the middle and put it all over my lid. So now I'm gonna attempt to even deepen it even more with this brown color on my lash line, just to like blend out the shimmer and the mattes. I don't like no harsh lines. Y'all already know that. Y'all know that though. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Alright, so this is the final look. All my stuff that I am gonna use on my face today, I will put it in the links down below. Well, not links, but I'll put it down below. But yeah, my final thoughts on the Juvias Place Nomad palette is really cool. I mean, it's a basic fall palette. Like, you know, I did a basic eye look. It's kind of versatile. You could do a little grungy moment right here, a little natural everyday moment like I did right now over here. I love the shimmer, but it's my favorite shade out of the whole palette, but it is messy as fuck. Like, I was trying to blend out like the brown, I don't know if you can see it, But like, see, it got into the brown. It was moving around. It got all over like my crease. I had to put like a powder over it. Like, it was a mess. But I like it. Literally, when people think of me, oh, he's messy, but I love him. Like, you know, even though I'm not messy like these other. I ain't gonna say it, but yeah. I think that this palette is passable, especially for the price. I think it's $15. So, bitch, yeah, this is definitely worth the price of the Juvias palette. It's pretty pigmented. Everything blended so smooth. That was my only gripe about it, was Miss Thing over here. But I do need to do other looks with it. I did like a fucking boring ass look, to be honest. I'm sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to put something on. I'm meeting up with a friend after this, so I just wanted to do something natural. Brown lips, but natural. See, this is what I did. See you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you already know what to do at me. Give me a big old love. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I love you, my moon babies.